Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen feature on Black Shark Pad SE. So first of all, we're gonna have to open two separate applications on our tablets and then go to the Resize view by either swiping up if you're using gesture navigation or tapping the square icon if you're using the three button navigation. Then you're gonna have to tap on the icon on top of your on one of the windows, then split screen, and then select the second app to be displayed on the other side. Now you can change the size of each window by dragging this bar between two windows, and you can use both applications simultaneously. To close this split screen view, just go to Resize once again and swipe up this group. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.